first, we're gonna make
my breakfast.
Coffee. We're gonna make breakfast coffee, and also my favorite breakfast. So let's get it on. Let's start. So for the coffee espresso, so I bought this. This is from Starbucks. Well, it's not a sponsored, okay. But yeah, this is a press-on coffee maker. What you call Kenya French press coffee maker. This is very easy to do. This is actually
Your first time.
doing it, and I haven't eaten yet. I haven't eaten my breakfast.
A late breakfast
This is currently 5:30.
30. Yeah.
And then of course coffee. Ta-da!
Yes.
So I'm very excited, and
Smells so good.
so since right now currently it's locked down and we cannot go outside like, you know, the normal days. So that's why I created this video for those people to be inspired to make coffee home. And also I want you guys to see the kind of espresso coffee that I have, and my favorite espresso coffee, and then my favorite food. So yes, let's get started. So what we need, of course, again, this pressed coffee, and then coffee, and then of course milk, sugar, and then nutmeg, my favorite, and cinnamon. Yes. And of course, I don't have a mason jar. This is an improvise. So this is a jar so that you can see my coffee. And then of course ice that's being already melted. Okay, so let's get started. Now for the breakfast, well, my favorite, peanut butter, and then banana, and then bread. That's it. So let's get started. Okay, I'll open this now. Okay, so I want you guys to see how I make my first coffee at home, Starbucks coffee, espresso. Okay. And ta-da! By the way, let me show you. I don't have a paper machine, but soon I'm gonna have a coffee maker that I love. Wait, it has an instruction. Okay, and it has this spatula. So first things first, let me just wash this first. Alright guys, so we're gonna scoop coffee first. Maybe how many? We don't know. Okay, so first thing first, we need to remove it. Okay, remove that. And then coffee. Yay! Smells good. Yay! Can you smell it, guys? And so excited. It's like an everyday Starbucks. This is my favorite coffee, so I'm very excited. And as I was saying, I haven't eaten yet. 2, 3, 3 talaga. So we'll get to that's how it looks like. Content. Make more. I believe you can still use it if there's still coffee being pressed on. Okay, so hot water. Wow. Let's stir it using my reusable straw, metal straw. Let's put this lid, and we'll put more water after that. Yeah. That's it. Wait for 4 minutes and press. Wow, this is got nervous there, and yeah. So let's wait for 4 minutes. What's the time now? 41. So we'll wait until 45. While waiting for this to be done and be an espresso, so we'll make peanut butter breakfast. Yay! So hungry. Okay, this is just very simple. This is my favorite ever, like perfect combination, peanut butter and banana. And then of course any peanut butter will do. Yeah. Yay! I love peanut butter. Makes me happy. Together with the banana, because it's gonna increase or it's gonna release your endorphins or your happy hormones when you're eating peanuts and banana. It's on Google. Those are happy food. Peanut butter or peanuts and then banana. So you'll have a good vibe after this. And I hope you guys will do this. Smells good. Perfect. With my espresso coffee is banana. Any banana will do. This is the only available banana that I got. So this is just a very easy breakfast. I normally don't prepare my breakfast. My partner prepares my breakfast like every day. And I love it. He knows that this is my favorite breakfast or like my favorite sandwich, peanut butter banana. So last night I ate peanut butter banana. I'm not sure where I got it. Maybe I just invented it or something, but I didn't see anything like this. Your room will be filled with coffee scent aroma. It's gonna make you alive. So, very excited. Okay, so our sandwich, peanut butter sandwich, is ready. And this is my peanut butter sandwich. And then put ice. So honestly guys, I haven't eaten yet, as I was saying. I'm so hungry. So I was planning to edit my video today, but I noticed I'm not bored. Okay, but I want to have a new video, more video. So that's why this weekdays I'm gonna edit 3 more videos, because after this I'm gonna make another video. So today is Sunday, so I'm gonna make not a lot of guys. Okay. Okay, so we'll pour now our coffee. Wow, hi Bulgarina. That's Bulgarina. 1, 2, 3. Wow. It's like an ASMR. Ta-da! So nice. Look at the color. And then it's not yet done. Of course, we're gonna put some sugar. And then Starbucks sugar. I got a Starbucks sugar here. I love the granulated sugar in my coffee. So I don't like guys too much sweet, but yeah, to make me feel alive. And then nutmeg. Yes, I love nutmeg. But I should put milk first. Let's shake the milk first, guys. Okay, yeah. Can you see it? Wow. Look at that. Oh. And everything is not sponsored, guys. And cinnamon. So, this is it, guys. Ta-da! This is my Starbucks espresso coffee at home. And this is my favorite breakfast, peanut butter banana. Wow. Let's eat. Starbucks coffee at home. Yes. You don't need to go outside. As we cannot do that like the normal days. It saves you a lot of money as well. That's why I made this video. Because one venti is gonna cost you 200 plus. Depends on the coffee. But this one is just gonna cost you 1.3, and the coffee is gonna last forever. So if you do like this video, please hit like, comment down below, and hit subscribe. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Stay safe, calm, and goodbye. Peanut butter banana. Wow. So yummy. This video is really gonna save you a lot of money, and it's gonna make you happy.